1.
Hello everybody. Today I'll be making 3-minute fudge. Now, this fudge is for anybody who wants sweets but doesn't have the time to wait a long time. So, I've been learning how to cook sweets from my parents through the years, so I decided, why not give it a try myself? First, we start out with a can. I need some 3 cups of chocolate chips that I put in this measuring cup here. Then I pour this milk in here. Next, we're going to put this in the microwave for 60 seconds. While that's going on, I will then spray the pan here with non-stick spray. Since we're done with this can, I'm just going to throw it away. And once the 60 seconds are up, we're going to take it out, stir it some more, then put it back for another 60 seconds. Then we're going to add some toppings. These toppings, however, they're not necessary. They're just if you want to add something else to the fudge. Looks like it's coming up to fix the meat up. This is a recipe that I've been wanting to try for a little while. I thought it'd be a fun thing to make. Okay. Take it out, stir it. Oops. We'll clean that up later. That should be good enough. Okay. So, since it's been melting just how I like it, hopefully it'll be done in another 60 seconds, because then we'll be able to pour it. But if not, and it's still not how we want it, we have to put it in the microwave for an extra 30 seconds. So it'll be melted just right so we can pour it in our pan. Once we pour in our pan, however, that's when the fun begins. Because then we have to pour it in, hopefully not make another big mess. And then we'll have to let it cool.
Fudge, I'll get back.
Make sure to get it all the way down so you can strip all the chocolate in there. You know what? Let's go for another 30 seconds to get it a little bit more melted. While we do that, however, we're going to clean up the mess that I made. That should be enough. Yep, that's really nice and melted. So what you have to do now is just pour it all in here. Make sure you get all of it out. Spread it around some. Then what I'm going to do now is add a half a cup of walnuts. Take another one. Now all you have to do is let it cool for 30 minutes. Then your sweets will be done. Enjoy.